Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today in English, we are going to do noun. Yes, we are going to do noun again. First of all, we will revise the definition of noun. What is noun? Noun is the name of person, place, animal and things. Again, noun is the name of person, place, animal and things. Today we will do underline the nouns. So our first sentence is, the fruits are in the basket. The fruits are in the basket. So what is the noun here? Yes, fruits are in the basket. What is the meaning of basket? Tokri. And tokri is a, basket is a thing. So basket is a noun. So there are two nouns in this sentence, fruits and basket. Now the second one is, the rabbit is sitting on the chair. The rabbit. Rabbit is an animal. So rabbit is a noun. Is sitting, बैठा है on the chair. Chair is a very good thing. So chair is a noun. So how many nouns are hiding in this sentence? Two nouns, rabbit and chair. Very good. Birds are flying in the sky. Birds are flying in the sky. So, what is the noun here? Yes, birds. So, you will underline birds. Fourth, cat is under the bed. Cat is under the bed. So, cat is an animal. So cat is a noun. Is under, नीचे है. The bed, किसके नीचे है? Bed के नीचे है. And bed is a thing. So bed is a noun. So cat is under the bed. How many nouns are there? Two nouns, cat and bed. So you will underline cat and bed in this sentence. Fifth, Rahul is eating food. Rahul खाना खा रहा है. So Rahul is the name of a person. So Rahul is a noun. Is eating food. Food is a thing. So how many nouns are there? There are two nouns, Rahul and food. Sixth, the boys are fighting. The boys are fighting. So tell me, what is the noun here? Very good, boys. Boy is noun. So the boys are fighting. So you will underline boys. Seventh, Sita is shorter than Shyam. Sita Shyam से छोटी है height में. Okay. So Sita is a noun. Yes. Is shorter than Shyam. Shyam is also a person. So Shyam is also a noun. So how many nouns are there in this sentence? There are two nouns. Can you tell me? Sita and Shyam. Very good. Eighth, mother is scolding her daughter. Mother is scolding. Scolding. What is the meaning of scolding? Scolding का मतलब होता है डांटना. यहाँ पे मम्मा क्या कर रही है? अपनी बेटी को डांट रही है. So mother is a person. So mother is a noun. Is scolding her daughter. Daughter मतलब बेटी. And daughter is a person. So daughter is a noun. So you will underline mother and daughter. Ninth, children are studying in library. Children are studying in library. Children. Children मतलब बच्चे. तो children क्या होते हैं? Person. So children is noun. Very good. Are studying पढ़ रहे हैं. कहाँ पढ़ रहे हैं? In library. And library is a place. So library is a noun. So how many nouns are there in this sentence? There are two nouns, children and library. Now 10th, Taj Mahal is in Agra. Taj Mahal कहाँ है? Taj Mahal आगरा में है. So Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a place. So Taj Mahal is a noun. Name of the person, place. So Taj Mahal is a place. So Taj Mahal is a noun. Is in Agra. And Agra is also a place in Uttar Pradesh. Agra. Agra is the name of a place. किसी जगह का नाम है. So Agra भी क्या हो गया? Noun. So how many nouns are there? Taj Mahal and Agra. Very good. You will write all these sentences in your notebook and you will underline them. So students, stay at your home and stay safe. Thank you.